Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into the fundamental concept of electronics, Ohm's Law. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, understanding Ohm's Law is crucial for anyone working with electrical circuits. So, let's get started. Voltage is the electrical potential difference between 2 points in a circuit. And current is the flow of electric charge in a circuit. Resistance opposes the flow of current in a circuit. If you suppose this is our conductor, and there is not any external resistance, because pressure volt is directly proportional to current, so volt push to electron to flow in the conductor. An electron flows in the conductor is very smoothly due to unpresence of any resistance. Resistance opposes the flow of current in a circuit, similar to how a circuit having a resistance and current flow to circuit. But when current reach the resistance point, it need to more power to pass from resistance. When an electric current encounters resistance in a circuit, it experiences a power loss due to the energy dissipated as heat in the resistor. According to Ohm's law, the power P in a circuit can be calculated using the formula Let's consider a simple circuit. If we have a voltage of 12 volts across a resistor with a resistance of 4 ohms, we can use Ohm's law to find the current. Using the formula I equals V/R, we get I equals 12 V/4 ohms equals 3A. So, the current flowing through the circuit is 3 amperes. The formula for Ohm's law is V equals I*R, where V represents voltage, I represents current, and R represents resistance. This formula helps us understand how these three parameters are related. Voltage. Voltage is the electrical potential difference between 2 points in a circuit. Current. Current is the flow of electric charge in a circuit. The unit of measurement for current is the ampere, symbolized by A. Resistance. Resistance opposes the flow of current in a circuit. The unit of measurement for resistance is the ohm, symbolized by the Greek letter omega. Ohm's law triangle. To make calculations easier, you can remember the Ohm's law triangle. Cover the quantity you want to find, I, V, or R, and the formula is revealed. It's a handy tool for quick calculations.